back here through Carpenter, and Dunbar are going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Michael Kramer on the pole for your 8A Auto Sales Crown Vics. In that 15 to 224 of Jeffrey Cranmer, the outside of row number 1, the 40L of Tim Littrell, the 2M of Barry Carrier. And it's going to be Jeff Roberts and Robert Luttrell. Brandon Cranmer and Josh Stringer. Joey Stringer in the 49, the 41 of Weston Cox, the 51R of Rodney Keaton. Bailey Quarles, Addison Smith, Jesse Coffey, Lee Cook, all starting this one here as up front. It is Cranmer and Cranmer as at the line. It will be Michael Cranmer, and it's going to be Jeffrey Cranmer, Barry Carrier, Tim Littrell, and Jeff Roberts, your top 5. Here comes Robert Luttrell in that 71 car, and we're going to have caution as we have a car stopped right here on the front stretch. The 16 of Lee Cook has stopped right here on the front stretch. We're going to need a push on the front stretch. Push truck to the front stretch, please. So it's Michael Cranmer, Jeffrey Cranmer, Barry Carrier, Tim Littrell, Jeff Roberts, Brandon Cranmer, Josh Stringer, Joey Stringer, Rodney Keaton, and Weston Cox, your top 10. Jackson, we need you back to the tower, please. Jackson, we need you back to the tower, please. So Michael Cranmer out to the lead once again as the 224 right there dives to the bottom. And we got a 3 wide right behind them for that 3rd, 4th, 5th spot. Michael Cranmer running the top. The 224, Jeffrey Cranmer running the bottom to the middle of the track. Then you have Jeffrey Roberts, Barry Carrier, and Jeff Cranmer. Tim Littrell and Robert Luttrell. And hold on to it. Great job, Tim Littrell. As that car went into a full slide, he holds on to it. Michael Cranmer and Jeffrey Cranmer starting to pull away ever so slightly from the rest of the field as Jeff Roberts trying to keep reach right there as we're at lap 5. We'll see halfway this time by. You got Robert Luttrell with a flat tire going to try to lift that car off the track. If he can, trying to make that hard left turn, he will be able to get that car off the track. Had a good run going. But up front, it's Cranmer and Cranmer, Michael and Jeffrey, as they're going to go around the 41 of Weston Cox. Almost contact there. Michael Cranmer leads it. Jeffrey Cranmer runs second. Jeff Roberts runs third. Then it's going to be Brandon Cranmer getting around Barry Carrier. Oh, hold on to it, and Tim Littrell into the outside wall. That car broke loose and gets into the outside wall. Caution is out. He's going to loop it right back around, I guess, and get that car pointed in the right direction. That could have been bad. He got that car slowed down before he made heavy contact with the outside wall. Michael Cranmer going to bring it back to the green flag. 4 laps to go here for your A&A Auto Sales Crown Vics opening night at Lake Cumberland Speedway. Point Series starts next Saturday right here at Lake Cumberland Speedway. Then we'll have a week off and come back with Super Late Models, Southern All-Stars, Spring Nationals. Michael Cranmer continues to lead it by 0.2 of a second that time by over Jeffrey Cranmer. Cranmer, they were side by side coming off of 2, not able to make that pass. 2 to go this time by 10 down, 2 to go. Cranmer down the backstretch. Jeffrey Cranmer going to try to come right up on that rear deck lid. Here comes the 86er Jeff Roberts as Tim Littrell going to take his car to the pits. White flag out, 1 lap to go as Michael Cranmer down the backstretch. And we got one looped around here in turn 1. We are going to wave the caution flag. Caution is out. Green and white together, then the checker flag. So is it going to be Cranmer or Cranmer? Jeff Roberts in third. Michael Cranmer down the backstretch one last time. Jeffrey Cranmer goes to the bottom. Going to try to make it stick. Off of turn 3 and 4. Going to slide up. Not going to make it happen. Michael Cranmer going to take the win. Jeffrey Cranmer goes second. Jeff Roberts, Brandon Cranmer, Barry Carrier, Rodney King, Joey Stringer, Josh Stringer, Addison Smith rounds out your field. Weston Cox also in the 41, rounding out the field. 5th goes to Barry Carrier. 4th goes to Brandon Cranmer. 3rd goes to Jeff Roberts. 2nd goes to Jeffrey Cranmer. And the winner of your A&A Auto Sales Crown Vic feature to open up the 2025 racing season here at Lake Cumberland Speedway. Race fans, let him hear you in the 15. That is Michael Cranmer.
Race fans, put your hands together for Michael Cranmer. Congratulations, man. Victory Lane starting 2025 off right. What's on your mind, Victory Lane?
I just want to say thanks to you, man. Like I said, I seen you rework this track all this winter. And like I said, this was one of the things I wanted to come back and see if I really liked it, and I really like it. Like I said, it's good racing side by side, and I just want to congratulate you on a good job.
Well, thank you so much, man. We put a lot of hard work in the facility. Takes a lot of hard work to get these race cars. Who you got to thank there on your race car?
Just my wife. Like I said, this is a family-owned car. Like I said, we don't really have no sponsors. My wife is Little Giggles, so I just want to thank all my family, grandsons, grandkids, granddaughter, wife, daughter, son-in-law. I just want to thank them for coming out and helping me.
That's what it's about, man. Congratulations. Everybody, as you're leaving Lake Cumberland Speedway, if you could, please pick up your pit area. Make sure and turn your transponder in. And please, guys, try not to block everything on the top end. Please send somebody to get your money. We thank the staff, the fans, and the racers. And we'll see you next Saturday night for round number 2.
Race fans, again, thank you for being with us here on this Easter weekend. Please enjoy your weekend. We will see you again next Saturday right here at Lake Cumberland Speedway. Drive home safely. Attend the church of your choice tomorrow. We'll see you next week right here at Lake Cumberland Speedway.